Now that we've learned some basics of our Kodi, let's make it our own personal pet. We will put some codes in so that Kodi does what you want it to do. We already drove it around with this drive right here. Now, we will skip the draw and run and go straight to code. So press the icon right here. You see right here it says learn and coding. So we press coding. We can use the plus sign right here. So select Kodi. Remember what Kodi looks like? So press Kodi, and on the upper right corner, we press the tick. Now we have our Kodi, and we're ready to code. Don't worry, it is easy. On the left, right here, you have a bunch of different things, okay? And these are different sections that you can have your Kodi do. First one, we'll press the first orange dot with the word event on it. So the orange dot is right here, events. You will see here it says when button A is pressed, right here. This one, it says when button A is pressed. So we go ahead, press it down, and drag it out. We will need to drag 2 more, so a total of 3. So we get another one, and we get 1 more. The next thing we want to do is number 3 slot, where it says lighting, and pull out. So we'll go to lighting right here, and we want to pull out RGB lights up right here, and we put it, attach it. You see, now it's attached together. So we want to do the same. We want to put 3 of them, 1 for each. Okay. So can you do that for me now? We're almost done here. Now, let's take a look at the first set of blocks. So this one's the first, this one's number 2, this one's number 3, okay? So as you can see, it says when button A is pressed. So you can see your Kodi, it has A, B, and C button. Do you see it? The A is on the left, B is on the right, and C is in the middle. We want to have when button A is pressed. A means yes. So we want when we press button A, it will make a green light. In the little red spot, we go ahead and select that and change to green, and then press OK. Now we go to the second block right here. It says same thing. It says when button A is pressed, the light turns red. But now this time we want to have the button B is pressed, then it turns red. We press where it says A, and this will come up, and we can just use our finger to move up and down and choose B, and OK. So button B, remember what button B is? It means no. So when button B is pressed, we want it to, what color do you think we want it? Yes, it is red. So we leave the red alone. The third one right here, which button do you think we should have for there? It still says A is pressed. So we already did A. We already did A right here. We did B right here. So which one should this one be? Okay, so it is C. So we go down to C. And what color should it be this time? Just think about a traffic light. So the green is go, red is stop, and what's the other one? Yes, it's yellow. So we go ahead and press the red button right here, and we change it to yellow. So now we have pretty much what we wanted to do to change the color. So we can go ahead and test it out. And you see on the top right here where it says Kodi, you see Panda Kodi right there, and it has red lines next to Kodi. That means it's not connected. So what we have to do is go ahead and press, and then it says connect with a big blue button. We go ahead and press that. Ooh, now it is connected. And we press the big blue button again. Now it is connected. Let's try. Let's see how it works, okay? So you see at the bottom right here, it says upload and live right here. So I'm going to press live. So what it does is, if I press A on my Kodi, a green light comes on. And if I press B, what color do you think it is? Yes, it's red. And if I press C for maybe, it will be yellow. Now it is your turn to try it out. I think we also want Kodi to do a little bit more, because right now when you press a button, the face of Kodi, it doesn't light up. Other than the color, there is no emotion. So let's come take a look on the left side again, and let's go to emotion. Okay, emotion is how you feel. So when we press button A, it turns green, correct? Let's look around and see what we can do as yes and O. At the bottom, it has yes. So I can drag that for the green button. And also there's one for no, the last one right there. So we'll put that for when we press the B button. Now, how about for C? It is maybe. So what can you, or what do you want to put? You can choose any one of these. I will change, or I will add, uh-oh. Okay, so now let me try it. If I press C, whoa. And if I press A, wow. And if I press B, oh no. So you can always take it out. Let's say I can pull it out. I can just throw it in the bin. I can try another one. Let's try naughty. Press C. Oh, it winked at me. Ooh. Have a go. Once you've coded everything, what I want you to do is go find a friend and have a friend ask you a question. If, for example, a friend asks me, is my name Mr. C? Well, yes it is, so I'll press A. So if a friend asks me, are you a girl? It is no, so I press B. No. Now, maybe, let's see, I can have somebody ask me, do you like banana? Well, maybe. Press C. Oh, it's a wink.